In this video, I am going to tell you everything about shaving your face. Yes, ladies, we also shave. So do watch this video till the end as I am going to be revealing a lot about shaving your face and does it harm your skin or make it smoother. I will be answering a lot of questions in this video, guys, so keep watching. Listen sis, there's absolutely no rule that says you have to shave your face or shave anything. Really. But lately guys, I have been looking for ways to make cakey foundation look smoother or to improve my skin texture, and the topic has once again come up. But is shaving off my peach fuzz on my own really is the best solution, or should I be getting a professional dermaplaning treatment instead? So to get answers to all of my questions and probably yours too, I chatted with the expert about things face shaving, peach fuzz and more. So keep watching guys to find out everything you have ever wanted to know about the smooth hair-free skin. Okay, so you must be thinking, what is the difference between a dermaplaning or shaving? According to dermatologists, guys, a face shaving is a basic technique that can be done at home with a razor to remove surface layer peach fuzz, while a dermaplaning involves a dermatologist or a medical esthetician carefully scraping your face with a surgical scalpel to remove hair, peach fuzz, and even the top layer of your skin. Think of shaving as the cheaper and easier DIY version of hair removal option, and dermaplaning as the more professional and effective version. So, is it okay to shave a peach fuzz on your face? Do you need to shave your face? Absolutely not. But can you? Absolutely. For a deep explanation and considerably smoother skin, you will want to visit your dermatologist for a dermaplaning treatment instead of shaving your face on your own. So, when you should face, guys, you'll be thinking, shaving your face is a good option if you are just looking to get rid of your hair, aka the tiny, soft peach frizz all over your face. That can be done in the way of applying foundation. You know, they just get inside of that foundation, just looks so cakey and your skin looks so dull. But if you want extra skin smoothing benefits, you should look into a professional dermaplaning treatment instead. So what is the best way to shave your face? Put down your usual body razor or bikini trimmer, and guys, grab a clean new face shaver, especially a razor that's actually being designed for delicate peach fuzz like this one, because the best way to shave your face is with a facial razor. Actually, while you're at it, go ahead and grab a whole pack, because you'll want to toss the blades after each use to be safe, because this prevents the ingrown hairs and razor burn. So you want to get a really sharp clean razor. Is face shaving safe? Yes and kinda yes. Shaving your face can cause irritation and should be avoided if you have sensitive skin or an active acne breakup, both of which can be made worse by the sharp blades. Shaving your face is safe to try at home as long as you practice safety measures. You should be practice holding your razor and test it on other body parts like before trying it on your face to make sure you understand how to properly angle the shaver. It also super important to clean a razor every single time, because you could nick your skin and risk an infection if the blades are like dirty and rusty. So, how to shave your face properly? Shaving your face sounds straightforward, right? But until you are standing in the mirror holding a razor filled with nerves. So here's a breakdown of how to shave your face in 4 easy steps. Gather all your supplies and follow along. All the supplies you need to shave your face at home are a good cleanser or any serum, or a cream you can use, a facial razor and a moisturizer. Yes guys. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, or simply wash your face for a sensitive skin to soften your hair and clear away any dirt or grim you have. Then apply serum or cream to make it smoother. So guys, first wet your entire face to soften the hair follicles, then apply a thin layer of cream or gel all over the area that you have. Always shave in short, light stroke. Tilt your razor slightly in just against your skin, like 45 to 30-degree angle. Once you have the hang of how to hold it, use short, little strokes to shave the hair in the direction that it grows. to avoid the ingrowns. If you need, you can use other hand to pull the skin and prevent the razor from skipping or tugging on the skin. Rinse and moisture, guys. Splash a little water over your face to wash away any leftover fuzzies or hair you have. Use water-based moisturizers and avoid any moisturizers, guys, or products that have harsh products like retinol or glycolic acid just after the shave. Okay, will my peach fuzz grow back thicker if I shave it? That's a good question. At the top of basically any list of myths is the idea that shaving your hair will make it grow back thicker or darker. But don't worry, the expert says it won't. That myth exists because people mistake the wispy feeling of their uneven shaved facial hair with a slightly blunt feeling of their clean shaven facial hair. So it starts to grow back like that. So it's more about what you're feeling and seeing versus what is actually going on. So the answer is no. As is the case with most beauty treatments that have plenty of room for error, leave the face shaving to the pros for the best, safest, and most noticeable results. But if you can't justify spending up to $250 on a dermaplaning treatment and want to try it for yourself to remove that annoying hair and help your products better penetrate, just promise you'll at least use a clean razor and follow the steps above that I showed you. Sis, I'm so proud of you that you are trying to improve your life and working hard for it. Thank you so much for watching this video, sis. Don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot to me. And I want to reach out to you, as many sisters and brothers I can. So do share it and do share it with your friends and family. So help me to watch next video that I handpicked for you. It's a very useful one. Bye.